Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, unlatch the stand from the system. Pry the back cover off the system. Identify the I/O cover and remove the 5 screws to lift the cover off the system. Find the system board shield and remove the 4 screws. Lift the shield out of the system. Identify the wireless card and remove the screw. Unlatch and disconnect the cables to lift the card out of the system. To reinstall the wireless module, place it back in the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch and tighten the screw to secure the card. Place the system board shield back in the system and tighten the 4 screws. Reattach the I/O cover and install the 5 screws to secure it. Secure the back cover on the system and relatch the stand. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.